Any truck's performance, dependability, and lifespan are all determined by its engine. Some engines have gained a reputation for being incredibly strong and long-lasting throughout time, which has made them popular among truck owners and enthusiasts. On the other hand, certain engines are notorious for their unreliability, expensive repairs, and various issues. Here is a look at 6 of the worst and 7 of the best truck engines of all time, highlighting the highs and lows of truck engine engineering. Number 6. Toyota 3VZ EV6 3.0L. Due to excessive heat buildup, the Toyota 3VZe engine was infamous for its frequent head gasket failures. The head gasket warped and failed too soon because the design failed to control the cylinder head temperature. This malfunction frequently led to engine failures, overheating, and coolant leaks. One of the most annoying power plants in Toyota's history for truck applications, the engine's reliability problems necessitated expensive repairs and replacements. Number 5. GM 6.5L Detroit Diesel. The GM 6.5L Detroit Diesel was initially intended to be a diesel version of a gasoline engine, but it was not properly engineered for diesel operation. A diesel engine's greater combustion pressures were too much for its cast iron block and parts to withstand. Broken crankshafts, damaged engine blocks, and frequent overheating were common problems. In addition, parts were frequently costly and difficult to repair, and the engine was underpowered for its size, making it a bad option for heavy-duty or towing applications. Number 4. Ford 5.4L 3V Triton V8. The first of the 5.4L 3-valve 3V Triton engine's many long-standing problems is that the spark plugs would break off when being removed, necessitating expensive and time-consuming repairs. In addition, the engine experienced timing chain issues, which led to premature wear of the chain and tensioners, which, if left unchecked, could occasionally result in catastrophic engine failure. Cam phaser failures cause knocking and rough idling, while problems with the oil pump's dependability might result in low oil pressure, which would further harm the engine. Number 3. Caterpillar C7 Diesel. The Caterpillar C7, which was first designed for medium-duty vehicles, gained a bad reputation for hydraulic injector failures that led to rough running, power outages, and high emissions. Because to structural flaws like cracked cylinder heads and overheating issues, the engine needed several repairs. It was one of the less desirable models in the Caterpillar range because of its complicated electronic emission control systems, which regularly broke down, rising maintenance expenses and downtime. Number 2. Chevrolet 350 Diesel. This engine was essentially a gasoline engine converted to diesel with significant compromises. The conversion was rushed and lacked rigorous diesel-specific adjustments, leading to cracked cylinder heads due to the higher compression of diesel operation. The engine also had repeated failures in critical components like bolts and gaskets. Performance was subpar and fuel economy was poor compared to purpose-built diesels, making it a problematic choice for truck owners at the time. Number 1. Ford 6.0L Powerstroke Diesel. The 6.0L Powerstroke Diesel is infamous among Ford diesel owners for numerous reliability issues, especially head gasket failures that could happen with relatively low mileage. Fuel system problems, such as injector failures and fuel dilution, where fuel seeps into the engine oil, exacerbated wear and shortened engine life. Overheating and EGR exhaust gas recirculation system defects also contributed to its bad reputation, often leading to costly repairs that frustrated many truck owners. 7. Best truck engines of all time. Although the primary sources mainly focus on worst engines, a common understanding from reputable lists and enthusiast consensus includes: Number 7. Cummins 5.9L 12-valve diesel. The Cummins 5.9L 12-valve diesel engine is legendary for its simplicity and durability. Its mechanically controlled fuel injection system made it reliable and easy to maintain. Known for delivering excellent torque at low RPMs, it was ideal for heavy towing and long-haul trucking. Owners have reported engines lasting well over 300,000 to 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. This engine is often praised for its robust cast iron construction, longevity, and strong aftermarket support. Number 6. Ford 7.3L Powerstroke Diesel. The 7.3L Power Stroke quickly earned a reputation as one of the most reliable diesel engines ever produced by Ford. It combined a strong cast-iron block with mechanical fuel injection, which contributed to its longevity and low maintenance needs. It provided ample torque for heavy-duty tasks and was known for its ability to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with few major issues. Its durability and strong performance made it popular among commercial truck operators and enthusiasts. Number 5. Chevrolet Duramax 6.6L Diesel. The Duramax 6.6L diesel engine brought a new level of power and efficiency to GM trucks. It featured advanced fuel injection technology and a strong block design, delivering high horsepower and torque figures while maintaining relatively good fuel economy for a diesel. Its reputation for reliability and performance has grown steadily, and it is favored in towing applications for both recreational and commercial use. Improvements over the years have continuously addressed earlier minor faults, solidifying its status as a dependable engine. Number 4. International Harvester DT466. The DT466 is a medium-duty diesel engine prized for its ruggedness and endurance. It has been widely used in commercial trucks, fire engines, and buses. Its straightforward design allows for easy maintenance and repair in the field. The engine is known for delivering consistent power and torque over long service intervals. Its strong iron block and head designs contribute to high mileage capabilities, making it a cornerstone of reliable diesel engines in medium-duty applications. Number 3. Toyota 1HS Diesel Inline 6. The 1HS Inline 6 diesel engine from Toyota is renowned for its incredible reliability and mechanical simplicity. It is naturally aspirated, which means fewer components that could fail compared to turbocharged engines. This engine is a favorite for off-road enthusiasts and users in harsh environments due to its ability to withstand prolonged hard use without major mechanical issues. It is known for smooth, steady power delivery and excellent long-term durability. Number 2. Ford 4.6L Modular V8. The Ford 4.6L Modular V8 is respected for providing a good balance of power, fuel efficiency, and durability in light to medium-duty truck applications. Unlike many other engines prone to chronic issues, this engine enjoyed a longer service life with fewer breakdowns. Its advanced design included features for smoother running and better emissions compliance. It has become a popular engine for swap projects and daily drivers seeking reliability with reasonable power. Number 1. GM 6.6L LML Duramax Turbo Diesel. The LML Duramax built on the success of earlier Duramax versions, introducing improvements in emissions control with selective catalytic reduction while maintaining strong power and torque characteristics. It maintained a reputation for reliability and fuel efficiency in the heavy-duty diesel segment. Owners highlight the engine's smooth operation, strong build quality, and resilience under heavy towing and commercial use, confirming its place among the best diesel engines available. These engines are highly regarded for longevity, power, reliability, and overall performance, making them favorites for truck enthusiasts, commercial use, and industrial applications. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.